Hi ladies, today I'm going to show you how we wash our wigs. First, you need to brush out the hair. The best to start from the tips and move your way up. When washing your wig, hold it with your hand placed inside the cap. Don't hold it on the front lace as you can tear it by accident. Make sure the water you use is around body temperature. Let's start washing. Generously pour water for about 1 minute so the hair and the wig base would be soaking wet. Then gently apply shampoo. Use a sulfur-free one. You can finger comb the hair to evenly apply it. If the wig base has persistent odor, you can also soak the wig in water mixed with shampoo for 5 minutes. Then turn the cap inside out and lather the whole thing. Squeeze the cap, but don't rub it because this can make knots to loosen and cause shedding. When you're done shampooing, rinse the hair with cold water. The colder the water is, the better. Once you rinse it out well, squeeze excess water and apply conditioner. You can use around 3 to 4 pumps. And make sure to apply it only from the mid-length to the tips. If you feel that the hair ends are a bit dry, you can leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing, and after that, rinse the hair again very well. Take your time doing this, especially with silk top wigs. It's crucial to make sure that no product is left between the layers of the fabrics. After rinsing, squeeze the hair with your hands to remove excess water. And to absorb the remaining excess water, wrap the wig in a towel. Now we are ready to prepare it for drying. Unwrap your wig. The hair should still be wet. So don't keep it in a towel longer than 15 minutes. Use about 10 to 20 sprays of leave-in conditioner depending on its consistency. Conditioner makes the hair look smooth and gives it a nice smell. Then apply oil. For shorter hair, you can use 2 to 3 pumps, and for longer, 3 to 4 pumps. Run your fingers through the hair to evenly distribute it. Keep in mind that some oils are heavier and leaves the hair feeling greasy. To avoid that, don't use too much of it. Other products aren't meant to be used before heat tools, then it should be applied after styling your wig. Another important thing to remember is to avoid wig base when applying both spraying conditioner and oil. And make sure to apply both products when the hair ends are still wet. This way, you will have healthy looking tips when it's dry. Once you've done that, use a wide tooth comb to comb the hair. Just like before, start from the bottom and move your way up. Then put your hair in a mannequin. To secure it, you can tuck extra elastic band under its chin. Then comb the hair again against the back of it. You can use your other hand to further smooth the hair. While the hair is still wet, decide where and how you want your parting to be styled. If you want the part not to be clearly defined, brush the hair backwards. If you want the flat parting, smooth the hair like we are showing here. And if you want voluminous parting, follow the steps in our video how to make wig styling easy. It's important that after all these steps, the hair ends would still be wet. Water should be dripping. And you're done! Now you have to wait until the hair dries before styling it any further, so make sure to not touch it until it's fully dry. That's it! We hope this helps, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop us a message.